After finishing an MBA in human resources, most people begin their careers as HR executives or associates. It's the starting point where you understand how HR works on the ground and start building your skills. With time and experience, you move up to roles like HR manager, then maybe senior HR business partner, and eventually positions like HR director or VP of HR. But the real dream for many HR professionals, that's becoming a CHRO, that is Chief Human Resource Officer. Let's quickly understand what exactly a CHRO does and the key skills required to become one. Now, being a CHRO isn't just about overseeing HR activities. It's a role that shapes how a company thinks about its people. A CHRO builds teams for the future, brings in the right talent, keeps employees motivated, and plays a key role in business growth. The job is all about strategy, leadership, and making decisions that really matter. And with technology changing everything around us, today's CHRO also need to understand how tools like AI can make hiring smarter and HR processes smoother. Now, if we talk about the skills required, some key skills include workforce planning, which ensures that the right talent aligns with the organization goal, and talent acquisition strategies to attract top candidates. Then comes developing leadership abilities for guiding teams effectively, while strong decision making and conflict resolution skills help navigate complex workplace challenges. Moreover, succession planning prepares the organization for future leadership needs, and developing a strategic vision is crucial for aligning HR initiatives with broader business goals. Additionally, understanding legal compliance and employment laws is vital to maintain ethical and lawful HR practices. You can see there are a few other skills that are just as necessary for CHRO. After analyzing several programs out there, one course really caught my attention: the Executive Postgraduate Certification Program for CHRO, offered by IIM Ranchi, which offers exactly all the skills that we just talked about and more. Let me tell you, it's not just another certification. IIM Ranchi is one of India's top business schools, known for its strong academics, expert faculty, and focus on developing future leaders in HR. Many top HR professionals have studied here and gone on to lead big teams in well-known companies. What I like most about this program is that it's designed for the real world. It doesn't just throw theories at you, it gives you actual business case studies, the kind of situations a CHRO faces every day. You get to understand how to solve problems, make tough calls, and think like a leader. And since we all know how the AI is changing job roles all around the world, and CHRO is no exception, this program has already kept this in mind. You learn how to use different AI tools to improve hiring, streamline the processes, and build smarter, more efficient HR systems. In a world where everything's going digital, that's a skill set every future CHRO needs. Plus, you'll get to visit the IIM Ranchi campus as part of the course. That's such a great opportunity to meet your peers, connect with brilliant professors who've mentored some of India's best HR minds, and be a part of an inspiring learning environment. If you're aiming to reach the top of your HR career and want to do it with confidence and clarity, this course is worth looking into. The admissions are open now and the course advisors are super helpful. It might be just the step you need to start your journey toward becoming a future ready CHRO.